In the last video, we went through some features of the software that will help you fill orders. Today, you'll learn about more features that will help you manage busy days, days where you might have 4, 5, 6, or even 7 orders. You'll find these features under Reports, which is under the More tab at the top of the page. From here, you'll go to Kitchen and Production Reports. The first feature we'll go through is the Kitchen Production Report, which breaks down what the kitchen needs to produce for a given day. If you go down a bit, you can sort the report by different things such as serve time, kitchen ready time, or driver pickup time. You can include only specific locations if you'd like. You can also filter by stations, seeing what all the stations need to produce for that day, or breaking it down by specific station. For this demo, we'll go through all stations. Once all the information is entered, you'll go to the bottom and press Generate Report. You'll see a report organized by all the orders for the day. For the first order, here are the individual items and amounts that need to be produced. For the first order's Super Deluxe Party Pack, you need pulled pork, 33.5 pounds, baked beans, 3.25 gallons, and so on for every item needed. This is done for every order for the day, and at the bottom of the report, there is a grand total that needs to be produced for the day. Having all this information totaled at the bottom makes it easy to ensure that everything needing to get done gets done. Our software also offers a tablet version of this kitchen production report, which works for both iPads and Android tablets. If you go back to Reports under More, you'll go to the tablet production report in the bottom right corner. You'll have similar information to fill out like the kitchen production report. You can sort by category or station. You can show all categories or only specific ones like meats or sides, and the same goes for stations. We'll show all categories for this demo. Once the information is entered, you'll press Show Report. Similar to before, this report breaks down what needs to be prepared by order, and then breaks down the grand total at the bottom. If you press in order, you'll see a drop-down of the specific items which need to be prepared. When you're done prepping an item for an order, you can check it off the drop-down and the item will turn green. This makes it really easy to track which items are done and which still need to be made. When all the items are checked off, the whole order will turn green. This lets you know the order has been filled. Another neat aspect of the tablet feature is that new orders will show up on the screen automatically as they come in. This ensures that new orders won't fall through the cracks, which is really easy to do with the traditional paper system on a busy day. The next feature we'll look at is the Supplier Ordering Report. You'll go back to the Report tabs and select Kitchen and Production Reports once again. The Supplier Ordering Report will be the fourth option down on the left. This report will show you what you need to buy from the vendor and the cost. You'll select the range of dates you are looking at, then you can filter out location if you need to, and choose to show food cost data. When that's selected, you'll generate report. The food items you need to get from vendors will be broken down by food item and the cost shown. This is done for every order. Like before, the grand total for the day will be shown at the bottom, giving you an easy, organized way for you to keep track of what you need. Another feature that will help you on busy days is order labels. You'll go back to Reports and back to Kitchen and Production Reports. The fifth option on the left is Order Labels. You can sort these labels by when these orders were created or when they're scheduled to be ready between. For the day of, you'll put both dates as that day. You can sort by price, customer name, location, etc. Once you've applied the filters you need, you'll go to the bottom and press Generate Report. There will be labels made that are able to be printed on a standard label sheet. They have the customer name, whether the order is pickup or delivery, which will have the delivery address, and they're made for all the orders of the day. Below the information, there's a blank space that you can write which items are in each bag or box. Right above that, there are labels for how many bags you have. So if you have 4 bags, you can write bag 1 of 4, bag 2 of 4, bag 3 of 4, and bag 4 of 4. This allows you to easily organize the bags that are going out and ensure that you have all 4 bags ready at the time of delivery or pickup. Another helpful labeling system in our software is the Kitchen Prep Item Labeling Sheet. You'll go back to Reports, back to Kitchen and Production Reports, and the third option down will be Kitchen Prep Item Label Sheets. This will create labels for each item when you're prepping in the kitchen. You can sort by date, serve time, station, or location. When you're done, you'll generate report. For each order, you'll have a breakdown of all the items needed. In the first order, there are labels for pulled pork, ribs, and so on. This is done for all the orders for the day. These labels also have the customer name, the order number, and the ready time. This makes it easy for you to use these labels to organize what needs to get done, what has been done, and what needs to go where when you're prepping. The features we broke down today are really useful for managing busy, hectic days where you have 5, 6, 7, or more catering orders. In the next video, we'll show you features of the software that will help manage customer service.